We're gonna elevate this Elevation Edition GMC Sierra 1500 and wanna bring you along for the ride. The truck behind me is the latest iteration of the GMC Sierra 1500. It is a 2020 or a 2021. It's got about 6,000 miles on it. The customer contacted us because he wants to add a lift for some overland travel. So he decided to go with the BDS 3.5-inch remote reservoir coilover kit. It comes with all Fox shocks and it is awesome. This truck's gonna be totally rad when it's all done, and we wanna show you every step of the project, so follow along as we wrap it up. We've got the GMC Elevation Edition Sierra all done, and the whole project turned out extremely well. I want to show you around the truck because I really love the stance and the performance that's going to be gained from this suspension. So here it is behind me. We've got, of course, the BDS 3.5-inch kit. In this kit, of course, comes their upper control arms, coilovers, reservoirs. These things are fully adjustable. So depending on high speed, low speed, compression, you can get this ride quality fine-tuned to exactly what you want. Now, of course, with any shock like this, the biggest improvement that you'll see is off-road when that shock's getting hot and doing a lot of cycling. In the back, you can see we've got this thing added as well. The shock is in there, reservoir's mounted right here, and right here is where these adjusters are. There's one right here, and then you can do it out in the back right there. So pretty simple there. That's the reservoir. The shock is mounted inboard. As you can see, this truck is still rocking the original wheels and tires. And we ran into a small snag there. With this kit, BDS recommends a 5.5-inch backspace, and these wheels have a 6-inch backspace. So that means the wheels and tires are a little bit too close. So what we did to resolve that on the front is just a very thin, all steel 1/4-inch wheel spacer. With that, we were able to space it out enough. There's plenty of room in here between the upper control arm, wheel and tire. I can say I can jam my finger back in there. So, you know, maybe 1/2 inch of gap. But that turned out really nice. The customer also optioned on this particular build to get the back a little bit higher than the front. So we installed a 1/2-inch taller block from Rough Country instead of using the factory BDS block. All in all, this thing is gonna be awesome. He's got a whole bunch of overland trips planned, and that's what we like to see. People using their truck, 4-wheel drives, Jeeps, to enhance their life and live it to the fullest. If you love this video, please go to YouTube, hit the like button. While you're there, subscribe. Last but not least, check out our website. There are a ton of cool projects just like this that may help you with some inspiration for a project of your own. See ya.